Ever stare longingly at a restaurant menu, only to realize your wallet feels a little lighter than usual? Been there, done that. But what if I told you there was a way to indulge in those culinary delights without breaking the bank? That's where the magic of TouchBistro gift cards comes in. These little lifesavers are packed with delicious potential, waiting to be unleashed on your taste buds. But how exactly do you use one? Fear not, fellow foodies, because this video is your one-stop guide to mastering the art of the TouchBistro gift card. Now, TouchBistro gift cards come in two flavors, physical and digital. Both are equally awesome, but the redemption process differs slightly. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of physical TouchBistro gift cards first. Using your physical TouchBistro gift card. Imagine this. You're at a restaurant that uses TouchBistro, your stomach's rumbling like a bass guitar, and you proudly whip out your physical gift card. Here's what happens next. The glorious moment of truth. Inform your server you have a TouchBistro gift card and want to use it towards your meal. This is their cue to spring into action, ready to unlock the delicious potential within that plastic rectangle. Scan or swipe. The server will likely have two options, a handy-dandy scanner or a trusty old keypad. If it's a scanner, they'll simply flip your gift card over and scan the QR code printed on the back. For the keypad method, they'll politely ask you for the gift card number, which is usually prominently displayed on the front. Gatsing. Once the magic of technology has identified your gift card, the server will be able to see the remaining balance. This is your chance to play it cool and maybe even order that extra appetizer you were eyeing. Paying the bill. Here's the beauty of TouchBistro gift cards. You can use them for the entire bill or just a portion. Let your server know how much you want to deduct from the bill using the gift card, and they'll handle the rest. You can then use another payment method, like cash or credit card, to cover the remaining amount. Dining bliss awaits. With the gift card magic woven into your bill, all that's left is to savor the delicious food and drinks you ordered. Congratulations! You've successfully used your physical TouchBistro gift card, taming the digital TouchBistro beast. Now let's conquer the digital realm. These gift cards are delivered electronically, often via email, and can be redeemed at the restaurant through the TouchBistro app. Here's how to unleash their digital deliciousness. App attack. First things first, make sure you have the TouchBistro app downloaded on your smartphone. It's usually free and readily available on the App Store or Google Play. Gift card glory. Open the app and navigate to the section for redeeming gift cards. This might be under a tab labeled Wallet or Payments. Scan or enter. Similar to the physical card, you'll likely have two options. Scan the QR code displayed within the gift card email or manually enter the gift card number. Balance check. Once the app recognizes your gift card, you'll be able to see the remaining balance. Just like with the physical card, this is your chance to strategize your culinary conquest. Placing your order. If the restaurant offers online ordering through the TouchBistro app, you can use your digital gift card to pay for your entire meal or just a portion. Follow the app's prompts to complete your order and prepare for a feast delivered straight to your doorstep or chosen pickup location. Dine in delight. If you're using the app at the restaurant itself, the process is similar. Inform your server you want to use your digital gift card, and they'll guide you through the app-based payment process. Important tips to remember. Before you embark on your TouchBistro gift card adventure, here are a few handy tips to keep in mind. Expiry dates. TouchBistro gift cards might have expiry dates, so be sure to check the fine print on your card before heading out for a meal. Minimum order amounts. Some restaurants might have minimum order amounts for using gift cards. Check with the restaurant beforehand to avoid any surprises. Now that you're a TouchBistro gift card master, it's time to explore the exciting world of restaurants that might accept them. From upscale bistros with innovative tasting menus to cozy cafes with killer brunch options, your TouchBistro gift card opens doors to a variety of culinary experiences. Think of it as a magic key to deliciousness.